These are cenotes. Cenotes are freshwater pools that form when underground rivers erode the interior of limestone caves whose roof finally caves in. Cenotes are oases of life. They have their own ecosystems and they draw wildlife from all around and sometimes even have species that are endemic to the cenotes. Cenotes are typically found in the Yucatan Peninsula in southern Mexico. So if you're traveling to southern Mexico, be sure to visit your cenote, experience these natural wonders for yourself.